finished the taping that it was probably one of the most fun tapings as well because it was something different from the usual.
Yeah.
And it was only 2-day tapings, and it was really fun. It didn't even feel like work. Really.
I think nakakatuwa lang doon and mahirap din po kasi isa sa mga multiverse namin, isa-spoil ka na para sa inyo, tinry namin maging maganda. And I think isa yun sa mga challenges kasi syempre yung mannerisms, yung voice, and everything. Pero other than that, because of the director and the people that were with, sila Miss Mary, sila Sir Jerome, sobrang dali lang namin ang set po namin.
Alright, thank you so much. Miss Pops, since you're both, since this is of course an OPM thing that you're doing, was it difficult to find specific songs where you brief on what to actually use for this particular episode and so forth?
Well, the staff, the Viva staff, directors, writers, they already have chosen the title, the story, and the song. And my part is to learn their theme songs. Now, medyo challenging for me dahil the songs of today, they have different phrasing, alam mo yun, iba yung attack nila. So medyo, it's not challenging for me, no? But it was fun. The songs were, of course, narinig mo na sila, popular sila, very commercial. Sa akin lang, kasi hindi ko pa siya nakakita. So, para sa mga audience natin, lalo na syempre yung mga mag-gets, I-enjoy yung songs with the episodes.
Did you have a hand on, of course, may meron part ng program na medyo mag-give kayo advice and stuff?
Hindi. Kumbaga sa, there are parts na malalaman nyo that I've gone through the same thing, I've gone through it. So, kaya nga exciting siya, diba?
Okay. And will you have a concert soon?
Yes. Hopefully next year.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Ayan. Excited na kami sa concert ni Miss Pops next year pala.
Thank you.
At ito na, next up we have Bix Amasen, Bix Buzz of Abante.
Hello, good afternoon po sa inyo lahat.